Hey people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. Today's video features a deep clean and decluttering of my utility room. So without further ado, let's get started with the video.
I don't know where you came from. I don't know what you did to my heart. You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing, like nobody is watching us, like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost. Far from rules, how to feel it. We know that fast isn't always the best. Sometimes your turns makes me dizzy, but with you I don't need the contest. Like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. We're dancing till we get lost. Follow you, the only thing I want to do. Through everything we step into, we're dancing till we get lost.
Okay people, so these are the things that I'm deciding that I'm going to donate. These items here, they need to go pretty much in my craft room, so I need to return them there. These items, I just need to return them to the utility room. Take those two items and put the bags there, and I will put down at the bottom the wastebasket.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one.
Alright people, this is all my trash here. It's going out today. Okay, this is how this section is looking here. It's a lot better than it was looking. Now back over in this area, it's nicely organized. Most of the taller things are in the back. The door there is to our bedroom. We have to have the landlord reinstall that. Over here, I'm looking at this area. It is nicely organized and I am just happy as can be. No more items right there, even though that portion doesn't look good, but it looks good because there's nothing there. So, let's get one more final look at how the room turned out. Nicely organized, nicely swept.
Back on the shore, one foot in front of the other.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video today. Be sure to check out other videos like this one. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, and let me know what your thoughts are. Subscribe to my channel if this is the type of content that you like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.